It's the WP Minute. Support independent WordPress news like this. Join our Slack membership or purchase a classified listing in the weekly newsletter at thewpminute.com/support. And now a word from our sponsor.
Hi, this is Rob Howard, the publisher of Master WP. As you know, one of our missions is to bring lots of new voices into WordPress and tech. That's why we're excited to announce our new Master WP workshop library with the goal of helping WordPress fans become WordPress experts. We've got a lineup of live and recorded sessions coming up in fall 2022. Check it out at workshops.masterwp.com and use the code WPMinute10 to get 10% off your registration. We'll see you there.
You know how it goes. Everything I mentioned here will be linked up in the newsletter and the blog post. Check out the WPMinute.com for the links. The saga of WordPress.org active install data continues as more details trickle out. At WP Tavern, Sarah Gooding reported on an appearance by WordPress contributor Samuel Otto Wood on the WP Watercooler podcast. Wood says the decision to remove the data originated from a private Slack conversation amongst contributors that was started by WordPress co-founder Matt Mullenweg back in May. It has also been revealed that the removal was not due to security or privacy issues, as previously indicated. According to Wood, the data chart was removed because, quote, by and large, nobody was using them, end quote. Regardless of the reasoning behind the decision or worthiness of the data, no official outreach appears to have been made by project leadership to the developer community. Meanwhile, WordPress community members continue to voice concerns via a Trac ticket started by Rebel Code CEO Mark Zara. The ticket was created on September 30th and has over 100 comments. Links you shouldn't miss. The first ever WordPress Documentation Team Contributor Day took place on Tuesday, October 25th. The virtual event was held to help team members catch up on tasks and onboard new contributors. Development agency HumanMade has published 1001 ways to implement Gutenberg blocks. The guide includes a handy flowchart for determining what blocks to use and when to use them. The inaugural WP Wealth Builder Summit has put out a call for speakers and sponsors. The virtual event focuses on building personal wealth through WordPress and takes place on February 3rd, 2023. Sarah Gooding of WP Tavern reports that the Openverse audio catalog now boasts 800,000 files, and they're available free of charge. I should get like a podcast up there or something. Formerly known as Creative Commons Search, Openverse is now part of the WordPress project. From the grab bag, now it's time to take a look at some other interesting topics shared by our contributors. Automatic's Pocket Cast podcasting platform has announced that their mobile apps are now open source. Gutenberg project contributors released a video of a streamlined browse mode concept for the WordPress site editor. WordPress Accessibility Day takes place from November 2nd through the 3rd and has released its speaker lineup. The WordPress.org support portal, dubbed Help Hub, is set to be redesigned. Thanks to all of the members who shared these links today: Birgit Pauli-Haack, Michelle Frechette, and Eric Karkovack. People are slowing down. Let's go, people. Let's get those links in the Slack channel. Thanks to you, dear listener, for tuning in to your favorite 5 minutes of WordPress news every Wednesday. You can support independent content like this by purchasing a digital coffee at thewpminute.com/support or join the Link Squad membership to share those links to get that news made for $79 a year to support the show and become a producer of the WP Minute at thewpminute.com/support. That's it for today. If you enjoyed it, please share it wherever you do social media and jump on the mailing list at thewpminute.com.